What's going on, traders? Today's number 28 of the $1,000 account challenge, and we are up $13 in the account, bringing the new balance to $1,266.40. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Up $13, it's not that significant of an amount. Given the trade that I took today, I am just glad to be green on this trade at all. But if we look at the challenge in the grand scheme of things, we started with 1,000. We are up nearly 1,300. So nearly 30% growth in nearly 30 days of trading. That is huge. That is massive. That is way more return on investment than what the bank would pay you. So yes, we are only up $13 on the day, but these base hit trades add up. Let's get into the trade for the day. SPY was an up gapper this morning, and we were looking for the gap overhead to be filled from yesterday's gap down. Now, we could not go long any earlier than we did because we had the pre-market high right here at 521. So we were looking for a break of 521 for the move higher and the gap to fill at $524. Here's what happened. SPY opens up, breaks this downtrend trend line, and starts to run. Realistically, there's a couple of ways we could have approached this. Number one, probably could have just taken the trade there on the break of the high of day. But given that we had potential resistance from your pre-market high at 521, I didn't want to take that trade because my concern was that it was going to hit that price point, reject, and come down. So we waited. The stock breaks over $521. You know what we do. Don't chase the move up. Wait for the dip entry. Normally, I would be buying the dip entry at 521. However, because SPY was entering into a gap and pressing with all of this prior momentum, I did not want to miss the move. So when we got a 2-candle, 3-candle pullback that started to print green, I went ahead and took my entry here, looking for the continuation up into the high of day. But we don't get it. And I'm trading the same day expiration contracts. So we know that the volatility on those contracts is going to be increased. So then I had two options as this pulled back. Number one, what I could have done there was just added to this trade to lower my cost basis, which I probably should have done, to lower my cost basis to capitalize on the run back to the high of day and taking the profits there. Or the other thing that I could do is just kind of keep in mind that this is still holding above 521. This is the 1-minute time frame, keep in mind. So we're not giving significant weight to these little candles dipping below. We know we're going to be down on this trade probably more than what we would want to because we are trading those same day expiration contracts, which come with increased volatility. So we just hold through and wait for the rally back up to the high of day. We have a couple of things working against this at this time. Number one, the biggest thing is theta, premium decay over time. The longer that we're in this position for, the more premium that we are burning. So that by the time SPY was actually back to the high of day, those contracts were not worth nearly as much as what they were over here. So we could not take the profits at high of day. By this time, we were only back to break even. We had to wait for the break of the high of day for us to take the profits into the strength, and that's exactly what I did. So me being up $13 on the day after being down nearly $20 on the day is a win for me. Now let me explain why I did not take this dip entry here and why I did not add to this trade there. Number one, I was looking for the momentum to continue topside. If I did not take this entry here and SPY ran, I would have for sure 1,000% missed this move, missed this opportunity, and I would have not made any profit on the day, most likely. I probably would not even have taken the trade because I would have felt like I was chasing it. So that is why I took that entry there. Now, why I did not add to this entry is because I was already down pretty much my max loss on the day. I was risking all of my profits from yesterday, but I was willing to do that because I was profitable yesterday. Had I not made any money yesterday, I would not have been willing to hold through this dip down. So essentially, I was trading on house money, but because I was at my max limit, I could not afford to add more to this position and then have it sell off further. So that's why I didn't commit to the add there. The only other thing that I could see that we could have done differently on this trade was rather than me taking the entry here, just stayed more patient and taken the dip entry down here. Now that looks good in hindsight because I'm getting a much lower entry, but in real time, there's no guarantee that this is going to pull back. And like I said, I didn't want to miss the move. So it's kind of a catch-22 situation. Are you taking the entry up here and willing to assume the risk down to there in an effort to catch the move? Or are you willing to stay a little more patient take the entry down here, but run the risk of missing the trade entirely. So it's not that necessarily one way of taking this entry or trade is better than the other. It kind of just comes down to personal preference. What are you okay with doing, and exactly how much risk are you willing to take on? Overall, we're still doing great in the $1,000 account challenge. Like I said, up nearly 30% in nearly 30 days. That is a fantastic result so far. I'm very proud of how far we've come. We have not over leveraged this account pretty much at all. And what I'd like to do for you at this time is extend an invitation to you. Come join. I would love for you to come join this $1,000 account challenge. Come trade with me. I trade live every single day. I give you my entries, I give you my exits, I give you my thought process, my reasoning. I'm giving you my trade breakdowns with this. Come learn from me. If my style of trading is something that resonates from you and you'd like to see results like this, come give me a chance and an opportunity to help you learn. I may be that person that helps take you from the trader that you are to the trader that you want to be. The link to join is going to be in the description of this video. Join the WAP. That's going to give you access to the Discord server, which will give you access to the $1,000 account challenge. Thank you so much for your time. I hope that this video has helped, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow on the inside when we continue the $1,000 account challenge for day number 29. Take care, cheers, and enjoy the rest of your day.